Charming Cape Cod West/great floor plan. Living and dining rooms west/lots of natural light. Dining room with built-in bench storage, open kitchen with gas range. Newer fridge and island west/2 chairs that convey. Large utility room west/adjacent powder room. Kitchen is open to spacious den west/wood fireplace and access to deck and backyard access. 2 spacious bedrooms and nice hall bath plus large primary suite upstairs. Big backyard west/deck, space for fire pit, and 2 storage sheds. Convey as is. Great location, close to grocery, shops, restaurants, parks and the beach plus easy access to interstates, schools and medical facilities.